into ocean, search the whole world for drunken confessions and hijacked affairs. Will just make you more alone. When you come home, I'll bake you a cake made of all their eyes. I wish you could see me just for the kill. You're my man of war. You're my man of war. Yeah, the world's will come for you.
Do I need to recount as we go over there?
Camden, Mandry! GTA phone.
All right, let's go, boys.
Okay, right now we're going to our base.
Forward operating
No,
base.
forward operating base where we fight out of. All right, Monte, do you have any words to say before the war starts?
Gotta show those loyalists who's boss.
Sam, any words?
I'm gonna kill them all.
Where do we set it?
It's all by the riverbed. We have the duel first to decide which side of the riverbed is going to spawn.
So which way are we charging from? Which way are we charging?
That's the red.
It's already within the same side. It's gonna be the only thing that separates us is the
military guy.
All right, go ahead and explain.
Oh, you're both using this.
So, team captains from each team are gonna grab a Beretta. We're gonna do it old style, you know, like Alexander. We're gonna take 20 steps out. You're gonna turn around. When they say fire, you're gonna shoot. If it misses, 5 steps forward, reload, and then when it said fire, shoot again. And what this is gonna decide is what side of the riverbed you're gonna spawn on. Because down there where all our spawns are, there's a giant riverbed. One spawn is closer to the field than the other, and the other has to cross through the riverbed to get here. If that makes sense. So, you must rely on your team captains. You gentlemen know the rules? Yeah. When I say fire, you fire. Fire! Anyone hit? I didn't feel anything. 5 steps. I wonder why. Nothing below the belt. Fire! Did I get hit? One step. One step. Fire!
Oh,
Did you get hit?
I can't tell. You shoot me?
I saw a BB come off of him.
Yeah, I would be able to feel it.
I'm fucked.
Oh,
I'm fucked.
I'll point you. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna steal some from you. It's a curse walking stick. One person walks, the other does. No, that is not.
Why are they so far?
alright.
the Suvanite loyalists won the duel. Our spawn point is going to be up there. Now you guys can choose wherever over here as long as it doesn't go past that natural line right there.
Alright, the war started. We're making our way to the flag because they started moving. Okay. They might be to the right. Alright. Monte and I has split up with the team. Fucking hell. They see you, they see you. Got him, you got him, you got him? You're already taking control of the flag. I got one, I got one. We got Adrian.
Hey, flank, our flank, our flank, flank, go back, go back. Hold off that side, Monte. I'll cover you, I'll cover you.
Alright, we need to start pushing on them.
They're coming in from that side.
Yeah, they're still on the flag. They're reviving. We killed Adrian though.
Monte, watch your rear.
I am.
We should flank them. Run across.
I'm hit, stop.
Hit. Yeah, might be impossible to attack. Yeah, Josh is over here. Sam. Huh.
I wanted to take this time to tell you about our sponsor. Instagram handle, BD_Hellcat. He's the best filmmaker. Medic! He's an amazing filmmaker. Makes amazing content.
Where they at?
I soloed your entire team, dog.
We have the point. We have the point for 12 minutes.
It hurts.
Hola. Sure. Where'd I put it? Alright. Smack the zone. Oh. Okay.
Cool.
Team got killed. One man standing killed two of us. Just respawned. Me killing the Jody. Or what are we doing?
We'll go flank around.
We're flanking.
Wait, someone started timing. I don't know what I did with the cap.
I did. I started already.
You did?
Yeah.
Where's the cap?
We're at. They had 12 minutes. We're at.
there it
We're at 4 minutes right now. I don't know. I'm gonna get into position.
I'm gonna go back there. That way
Get down.
I don't know who hit me, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell John is. Wait, everyone else is dead? No, not dead. John's still alive. Oh, man, motherfucker.
My bad.
John, I am hit. I swear to God.
Okay.
John, come here.
Alright, I'm coming.
Chris, are you out?
I'm coming. Gotcha.
That's
Hey, look out,
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Look out.
Here, Chris.
Josh, put your eye pro back on in case we hit you.
Pincer.
I am, I got him. Oh. Rush him down the middle. Forward to that. Hey, you don't need to rush him. We have points.
Guys, might be over for me. I'm surrounded. There's too many. Chris is a good shot. Sam, I'm not so worried about. John, maybe. I think I'm getting closer. Close quarters. That's where I flourish.
I think he's up in the cheer line.
He is up in the tree line.
Did we get everybody already? And you still ain't hitting me! I'm standing still!
How you doing? You know, Blake's doing a little vlog. We're chilling. Half of us is still in the war. My team is out, but Adrian, and only. So we have 5 people there.
No more.
Friendlies!
Shoot! Hey! Why are you shooting us then? I wasn't. Hey! Ow! Oh wait, that is y'all. I'm out.
Hey, I got you. I can't revive them, bruh. If I go there, I'm gonna get blasted.
There they are!
Oh.
Ah, hit!
Shit. Chris, cover. Oh, shit. Gotcha. Oh.
Right there. Okay, we're in the middle of battle. Doty's dead. It's only me and Caleb. We're like in the butt ass middle.
Okay. Reloading.
Where's Adrian? Hey, Josh, trying to get him.
Wait, Doty, Sam. Doty right here. Cover. Watch from behind. Number 1, try getting Josh.
Chris, we got Doty. Focus on that side. We don't know where Adrian is. In the through line.
Nah, cheese are blocking. There's no point in shooting.
Fuck, come all out!
Our mission is to get to the bunker. He's gonna try to sneak behind him and get him. I'm gonna try to get to the bunker instead. Let's go. You good?
Oh, yeah.
Anything to say to the camera?
Oh, damn, I hit my spine. Shit.
Alright.
Where's he at? He's hit! Shit!
Shit.
It's Adrian.
It's Adrian. He's pushing. Hey,
He's pushing that way!
Adrian behind.
He's got no cover! He's got no cover!
Push on him. Ah! Ah!
Alright, what's going on? Do we need to get down there? Okay, sorry. Where's John?
Our medic's down! We got a medic down! Man down! Man down!
Hey! Where are you?
No, get down!
Let's go!
We got you, motherfucker!
Blake. That was Blake. Yeah, let's revive real quick. I'm dead.
You and I, we were in this since the beginning. It was me and you. We were the first ones, John.
Hey, Blake, make sure you cover this place down.
Oh, good. The speed loader's still.
No, Chris is still alive. He's up there
Hey,
fighting
can
them.
you shut my pouch? With mine.
Yeah. We just got revived. We're heading back. Oh, you see someone?
Up there? Yeah, somewhere around up there.
Well, Russia's on this guy over there. Hey. And American flag base is just over there. If we can get him, if we can get him, trust me.
Alright, we'll suppress.
He's pushed up.
Let's push up.
Left or right? You look right, I look left.
Alright.
Hey, in there. Right side?
We got him. We got one.
Hey,
We got
one
one.
over there, one over there, one over there. Doty in the tree line. Forward. He's moving that way, he's moving that way.
Go, go, go. Run after him.
Go, go, go.
Run after Doty. Who's that, Sam? Alright, Sam's on our base.
Oh, wow.
Hola. Hola, Caleb. Oh! Almost stripped. Heads! Heads! Heads!
Reloading!
Ah!
Hey, Caleb's over here! Caleb's behind. Trying to protect Adrian. Got him. No, I hit you! Ow!
Shit,
Oh,
Blake.
that's so bad.
Blake, alive!
Oh, why'd you let me out?
Yeah,
Only Blake was alive.
I was complete. Where's behind you? So I killed you, and it was no way no one hit you going right there.
Welcome to the camp.
Adrian, how you feeling? Is that a Dr. Pepper?
Pretty tired.
Why you 20 bucks with the rest of that?
What is he doing? Oh my god.
This?
Yes. I told you no.
On. Hey.
Dude, he got
I got blasted.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Hey, throw these Christmas lights and shatter the glass.
Oh, it's shooting through. Oh, throw it up.
I'm gonna die, bro.
Firing squad.
One more time.
Holy shit.
How did that?
Yeah, Airsoft gun, switch to full auto.
I do not have
Switch to
full
full auto.
Do not.
What's that? Just full auto.
Where's Adrian's gun?
No, you don't.
Run it, Adrian.
Hurry up! Oh!
It came back over here.
Wait, not yet. 3, 2, 1, go.
Jojo! Jojo! Ah!
Oh,
Oh!
hit.
Ow.
All right, the next game mode. Caleb and Monte, since it's their birthday boys, they're gonna pick out a team to defend them, while the rest go hunt them down. All right, Caleb, Monte, who do you want on your team? You get to pick, let's say, 3 other people.
3 other people. I would like. Oh wait, so I pick. Somebody else picks. I pick. Monty picks.
Yeah.
Do that? Okay.
You guys are only on one team though.
I want Chris.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
How's your ass look? I got at least.
Give me Adrian. Or give us Adrian.
Yo, give me Doty, bro. Give me Doty.
All right, I think that's all you can pick.
Yeah, we can only get like 3 guns.
Great job.
Out. Hunt Caleb and Monty. Let's go. We are hunting. There they are. Yeah, call him. Because we have no idea. Yes. Chris. I got Chris.
You got him.
I got Doty.
Doty. Doty's down. Is there no revive?
Oh, head! Oh! Head. Either Adrian or Caleb killed me.
Everyone? Yeah, I was laying down. Caleb. I got Chris.
What?
I got Chris.
Yeah. Whoever was over there, I got hit by. And then that must have been John that I hit. Ow. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. You like a rock pile? Or
diving.
Bro, I was too close to all of y'all, dude. Y'all two were on one side of me, and then they were on the other side of me, so I couldn't go anywhere, and they were closing in. I was so fucked.
Oh, guys.
At the beginning.
Well, it would have been
That's it. Now all we need to do is extract